Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock zero in Marg software. First, navigate to the Inventory Management section from the main menu. Then, select the Stock Adjustment option. This feature allows you to correct inventory discrepancies efficiently. We will walk through the process of selecting items and entering the correct quantity to ensure your stock levels are precise. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting and inventory control. Once in the stock adjustment screen, you will need to search for the particular item you wish to zero out. Enter the item code or name to find it quickly. Next, specify the quantity to be adjusted. For example, if you have 5 units, you would enter 5 to bring the stock to 0. Double-check your entries before proceeding to ensure accuracy and prevent errors in your inventory. Zeroing out stock is essential for various reasons, such as accounting for damaged goods, items that are lost, or products that have become obsolete. It helps maintain a clean and accurate inventory database. Always conduct these adjustments as part of your routine inventory audits. Remember to obtain the necessary approvals before finalizing any significant stock changes to maintain proper internal controls. After completing the stock adjustment, it is vital to review your inventory reports to confirm that all changes have been applied accurately. Consistent monitoring of your stock levels helps prevent future discrepancies and ensures your business operations run smoothly. For more detailed guides and tips on Marg software, explore our other videos. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.